Okay, so UPS just arrived with this box. Let me get the thing, let's open it and have a look at it. All right, here is the box. Finally, after 1 year, this thing has arrived. I'm thrilled, it took forever, but let me meet you in the other room. We'll open this thing and see what it looks like. All right, so let's go with this thing. This is the Xymox Hybrid Snare Drum. I ordered this thing so long ago that I barely know what I'm getting. I ordered this on June 8th, 2019. It's now June 5th, 2020, but it was a leap year for what that's worth, but 363 days ago. This thing took forever to get. Xymox tells me that their shipping times are now reasonable. They have expedited shipping that's offered, and they tell me that they are able to meet that for the most part, but with Xymox, proof is in the pudding, so by all means, post some comments down below. Let me know how your experience is with their shipping going forward from the time of this video. I previously reviewed the Xymox pad, the practice pad back here. I'll put a link to that up above here. You can check that out as well. But today I've got the hybrid snare drum. And like I said, I'm not really sure what I'm getting with this thing. There's very little information about it on the website or on YouTube. I hadn't seen many videos on it. Xymox put out a few, but again, I don't really know what I'm getting. I barely remember what colors I ordered. I think it's black-ish. And they threw in a cover for me, so we'll see. But what I know about it, I initially thought I was getting a practice pad of sorts, but I've come to learn that it's actually a drum, a real drum. It's a 13-inch drum with a Kevlar head that can be a snare drum, or you can convert it into more of a practice pad, kind of a quieter sounding thing if you want to practice and not make the neighbors mad. So first impressions of it, it's thinner than I thought it would be. Again, I didn't know what I was getting, but it is a little bit thinner than I thought. However, it weighs 9 pounds. It's actually pretty heavy. So let's have a look. Let's open this thing and see what we get. Opening it, there is a nice Xymox box in here. So there's that nice box there, and opening this up, does look really nice. The head is not really tensioned, I don't think. So the rest of the box that comes with it, just to show you, nothing else in the box, just a padded box. On the inside of it here, this is how it comes, and the top of it is here. So this is just an unboxing video. I wanted to show you how it comes, what it looks like, before I get to trying it out a little bit and posting a real video, a real review of it. I got it with the Evans head, and they threw in this cover for me, which apparently you can take on and off. It's just a cover. They come in a bunch of different options that you can get with these things. Just hitting it as is. Probably not making the microphone happy. But I can see here, based on the ripples in the head, that this is not really tensioned down. And this is supposed to be, unlike the practice pad, which the tension screws don't do anything, they just hold the rim on. The pad is independent of the rim. This is an actual drum, so tightening down the rim should actually make it tighter like a real drum. And then they also have the little Xymox stick holders right here, so the sticks won't roll off. But so far it looks really nice. So there's how it goes. I think to take it off, to make it not a snare drum, you must undo these 4 lugs here, take these innards off, and it becomes a snare drum, I guess. So we'll try that at some point. So there's the unboxing of this Xymox Hybrid Snare Drum. I'm going to do a formal review, which I will put the link to up here, but I just wanted to show you how it comes, how the unboxing goes, what it looks like, some initial impressions of it. It is pretty weighty, but pretty compact. As you can see, I got the Evans head on it. There are a couple different head options you can get. Remo, Evans, couple different options, different colors. So anyway, look for the formal review upcoming soon, but until then, I will catch you later.